If you want to create a clean three-way split screen in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to split screen in CapCut, step by step, so you can place 3 clips side by side in a professional looking layout. This is perfect for comparisons, reactions, tutorials, side-by-side edits, or any video where you want to show multiple angles at once. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and start a new project, or open the project where you want to create the split screen. The first thing you need to do is stack and align your clips properly. Drag your 3 video clips onto the timeline and place each one on its own separate video track. Make sure they are stacked directly on top of each other so CapCut can layer them correctly. Once your clips are in place, trim the ends of all 3 clips so they all have the exact same duration. This is really important because if one clip is longer or shorter than the others, your split screen won't stay aligned properly throughout the whole edit. Try to keep all 3 clips matching from start to finish so the final result looks smooth and balanced. Now that your clips are lined up, it's time to position the layout. Select the top track clip first. Go into the video settings, then basic, and find the blend or opacity option. Temporarily drop the opacity to 60%. This step makes it much easier to see the layers underneath while you're positioning everything. Next, do the exact same thing for the middle track clip. Lower that clip's opacity to 60% as well. With both clips partially transparent, you'll be able to arrange all 3 videos much more accurately in the preview window. Now look at the player preview window. Click and drag the top clip toward the center, then drag the middle clip to the left side and drag the bottom clip to the right side. You're basically setting up the 3 positions that will later become your split screen layout. Take a moment here to line them up as neatly as possible, because the cleaner this step is, the better your final edit will look. After you've positioned everything correctly, go back and return the opacity for both the top and middle clips back to 100%. This brings the clips back to full visibility and prepares them for the masking step. Now, it's time to apply the 3-way mask, which is what creates the actual split screen effect in CapCut. Select your top track clip again, then go to the right-hand details panel. Click on video, then mask, and choose the film strip mask. This mask gives you the structure you need to create a clean vertical split. Once the mask is added, go into the preview window and find the mask rotation anchor. Rotate the mask to -90 degrees or +90 degrees if that works better for your setup, so the mask becomes completely vertical. This is the key move that turns the mask into a split screen divider instead of a horizontal strip. After rotating it, drag the center of the mask to the middle of the screen. This helps align the split evenly so your 3 clips are distributed across the frame. Then click and pull the side adjustment bars of the mask outward. Keep widening the frame until you get an even, perfect 3-video split screen. At this point, you may need to make a few small adjustments to get everything looking balanced. If one side looks too wide or too narrow, just tweak the mask and reposition the clips slightly until all 3 sections look clean and evenly spaced. This is where a little fine-tuning makes a huge difference. And that's it. You've now created a 3-way split screen in CapCut using stacked clips, opacity adjustments, and a vertical film strip mask. Once you know this method, you can reuse it for comparison videos, reaction edits, fitness progress shots, travel clips, product demos, and so much more. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut editing tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.